Welcome to today's Giftmas. Today is the Dior Cleansing Discovery Ritual gift set with a cosmetic bag coming with it with the embroidered CD. It is an ivory toned gift bag, drawstring, thick material. It's actually the size that you could probably use this as a mini little bag, but there's no handle. It's just these cords on there, but it would hold quite a few items within a purse. Lovely little gift set. And then you'll be getting the 3 cleanser items. I'll insert an image of the actual items. I don't want to open the packaging because it came sealed from Dior, and I just wanted to make sure that it came to you intact. So this is today's Giftmas. So to enter, please follow the instructions that will be linked down below in the description box. You'll want to make a comment down below just that you've entered. We want to make sure that, you know, there are folks that are actually with us following Giftmas and Vlogmas, and not just folks looking to get freebies. So I'm trying to make sure that we have subscribers and folks that are a part of our community that win these items. So you'll follow the rafflecopter link after commenting down below. At the rafflecopter link, you'll want to put in your YouTube screen name. So today's word to enter will be refresh. Enter that into the question area of today's word, and that will help me understand that you've watched today's video, that you understand the rules to enter, and it will give you all the other information that you need to provide once the drawing closes. Again, that will be down below in the description box. You will be notified if you are the winner, and we'll go from there. So thank you for watching Vlogmas and Giftmas, and I hope you enjoy this prize.